Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new year of Storytime. Yay! Can you do a little dance with me? Yay! Welcome to Storytime. I'm Miss Hannah, and for those who've never been here before, I like to read books and share with you stories. Isn't that fun? We're going to read some stories and learn some new stuff. Now, each month we have a theme. The theme of this month is Scholastic. Can you say Scholastic? Oh, good job! Scholastic. It means things we learn at school. So we're going to talk about things we learn at school all this month. So our first week we're going to talk about colors and shapes. Do you learn about colors and shapes in school? You do? Me too! And do you want to know a secret? Even when you get older and up into high school and college, we still talk about colors and shapes. Did you know that? You didn't? Well, I'm glad I told you. So our first book is called Mouse Paint. Do you see the little mice there? And it's by Stoll, Walsh. Will you read it with me? Once there were 3 white mice. You see them over here? On a white piece of paper. That's hard to see, isn't it? The cat couldn't find them. One day, when the cat was asleep, the mice saw 3 jars of paint. A red one, a yellow one, and a blue one. They thought it was mouse paint, so they climbed right in. Then one was red, one was yellow, and one was blue. They dripped puddles of paint on the paper. The puddles looked like fun. The red mouse stepped into the yellow puddle and did a little dance. Can you do a little dance with me? Do a little dance. His feet stirred the yellow paint until... Look, he cried. Red feet plus yellow puddle makes orange. Did you know that? Red and yellow make it orange? The yellow mouse hopped into the blue puddle. His feet mixed and stirred and mixed and stirred. Can you do the dance with me again? Dance, dance, dance. Look down, said the red mouse. Yellow feet plus blue paint makes green. Did you know that? The blue mouse jumped into the red puddle. He splashed and mixed and danced. Ready? Do the dance. Do the dance. Mixed dance. Purple, they all shouted. Blue feet plus red make purple. Blue and red make purple. But the fake paint got their fur all sticky. So they washed themselves down to a nice soft white. What they washed themselves in? The cat's bowl. So silly. Oops, skipped a page. No. And painted the paper instead. They painted one part red, one part yellow, one part blue. They mixed red and yellow for orange paint. Silly pages on turn. And yellow and blue for green paint. And blue and red for the purple part. They left some of it white because of the kitty cat. So you wouldn't see them. Was that a fun story? Did you know you can mix colors? You did? Do you want to do a quick experiment to show? Should we do a quick experiment? Let's do it. Are you ready to do an experiment with me? Alright, let me show you what I've got. I've got some glasses filled with color. I've got red and yellow. And I've also got blue. I only have 2 hands. So we're going to mix colors just like the mice did to see what colors they turn. Which ones do you want to do first? Red and yellow. Let's do it. Alright, so I have an empty glass here. I'm just going to pour a little bit of yellow in there. And a little bit of red. I need a little bit more yellow. see, what color did it turn? Did it turn orange like the mice did? It did! All right, let's try yellow and blue this time. Got a brand new glass. All right, here we go. Here's yellow. And here's my blue. Good. Did you see that? What did it turn? Did it turn the green? That's so awesome. Did you know colors could do that? All right, let's do the last one. Brand new glass. Okay, here is the red. Here it goes in there. Nice, pretty red color. Are you ready? And here comes the blue. Oh, look at that. Look at that color. What color is that? Is that the purple? Isn't that just pretty? Isn't that cool that the mice showed us so that we could mix colors? And we did it. Good job, everybody. Are you ready for another book? I got another one. This is called Shape Capers, and it's by Cathryn Falwell. Are you ready? Ready? You got to help me with this. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake the shapes. What will there be? Here's a circle just for me. Lots of circles round and round. Roll them, bounce them all around. Here we go again. Ready? Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake the shapes. What shape will it be? Here's a square just for me. Lots of squares, all sides the same. Stack them, join them, play a game. Look at all they're doing. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake the shapes. What shape will it be? Here's a triangle just for me. Lots of triangle points and sides. Tip them, tilt them, make them slide. You see, here's a slide. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake the shapes. What will there be? Here's a semicircle just for me. Lots of semicircles have circle style. Rock them, wear them, make your smile. Your smile is a semicircle. Here we go. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake the shapes. What will they be? Here's a rectangle just for me. Lots of rectangles standing tall. Build them, climb them, make a wall. We're going to shout them all. Ready? Here we go. Circle, square, triangle, semicircle, rectangle. Now what do? We can zoom across the room. They built cars with their shapes. We can soar. They built a rocket with their shapes. We can roar. Oops. We can play with shapes all day. Hip hip hooray! The end. Do you like shapes? I do too. Let's go do the big word with me. The big word of the month is scholastic. Can you say scholastic? Oh, good. And it means things we learn at school. So can you do it with me? We're going to do it 3 times because that's how many times it takes to get into our brains. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Scholastic. Things we learn at school. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Scholastic. Things we learn at school. One more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Scholastic. Things we learn at school. Good job. Do you want to see the craft for this week? Okay, hold on 1 second. Our special activity or craft for this week is a shape and color picture. You see it? Isn't that fun? You can use cookie cutters or a cup and just trace it with lots of colors and make sure you color it all pretty. Parents, this is an easy one. If you have any cups or cookie cutters, just let them go crazy. But I hope to see you guys next time when we talk about some numbers. Goodbye.